Hi! In front of me is ALCATEL 1T 10 Smart 2020, and today I would like to show you how you can access all your downloads. First of all, go into Play Store and click on the search bar. Then type in Files. Now you need to get this free app from Google Developer. I already did that, so I can open it right away. In order to use it, select Continue in the pop-up, tap on Allow, and finally select Browse over here on the left under Clean. Then just tap on Downloads category. As you can see, all my downloaded files are over here. If you want to access one, just click on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!